All right, gearheads, settle in because today we're dissecting the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. On paper, it's everything you'd expect. 907 horsepower hybrid, a screaming twin-turbo V8, and a name that literally means reckless or daring. But after some real-world street driving, it seems even a raging bull can have a peculiar soft spot. We've heard the track reviews. Johnny Lieberman loved it at Estoril, calling it quick and confidence-inspiring. Great for bragging rights, sure. But what about when you're not in Corsa mode, flat out on an F1 circuit? What about the mundane? That's where things get interesting. Let's recap the beast. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo flat-plane V8 revving to an ungodly 10,000 RPM, churning out 789 horsepower, plus 3 electric motors for a combined 907 horses. It's got the Revuelto's front E-motors, by-wire braking, and a stretched wheelbase for more interior room. Visually, it's toned down a hair from the Revuelto, but still menacing, especially that GT3 race car rear end. Standard Lamborghini fare, just slightly softer. Is that a subtle hint of what's to come in everyday use? Now, here's the rub. Take it out in Cita or city mode, and the Temerario attempts to be an EV. 2 148 horsepower loaders up front, pulling you along. Sounds advanced, right? Well, these E-motors are reportedly loud, louder than the Mercedes-AMG GT XX concepts even, as if Lamborghini forgot to properly insulate its carbon fiber chassis. And for all that electric ambition, you get a whopping 6 miles of range. 6! Is that even enough to get out of your driveway into the nearest petrol station? It feels less like a strategic hybrid feature and more like a regulatory checkbox, doesn't it? Switch to Strada or street mode, and it becomes a surprisingly docile creature. Easy to drive, shifts smoothly at low RPMs, cruises happily at 40 miles an hour. The article even compares it to a Toyota in terms of effortlessness. A Toyota. For a nearly $400,000 Lamborghini, that's almost an insult, isn't it? But here's the real kicker, the one small problem in its character. At low revs, on a light throttle, that magnificent V8 engine, it reportedly sounds like a rattly old diesel. The Huracan's V10 had a truculent menace, a bellowing charisma from the moment it fired up. The Temerario's direct injection system just makes it sound underwhelming. For a daily Starbucks run, that's not exactly the grand entrance you'd expect from a raging bull, is it? Now, let's be fair. Get it into Corsa mode, find a twisty road, and that V8 transforms. The power band is extraordinary, pulling like a freight train from 2,000 RPM all the way to an unbelievable 10,000 RPM. The E-motors seamlessly fill in torque, enabling early power out of corners. The steering is accurate, the brakes are a precision instrument. It weighs nearly 4,000 pounds, yet feels more agile than the Huracan, hitting 60 in under 2.5 seconds, topping out at 213 miles per hour. This is a genuinely potent machine, capable of being a daily driver if your wallet can handle the $390,000 price tag. But that brings us back to the core critique. It's a supercar for the track, brilliant. It's a daily driver in terms of ease, surprising. But the sound, the presence at low speeds, the very essence of a Lamborghini, that seems to be its Achilles heel. Is this the future of supercars? Unquestionable performance, but a compromised daily experience? We want to know what you think. Is a quiet, rattling V8 acceptable for the ultimate performance machine if it's brilliant at speed? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you appreciate this kind of honest, critical look at the automotive world, don't forget to bell subscribe to Shift 100 for more honest, critical analysis at shift100.youtube.com.